drop a short from the back.
No, make it a
No, call you them. What's up, guys? It's the girl Dainelle. Thanks for keeping it real. That's on the back. I'm glad for that. My name is Dainelle. For those who know,
don't know,
I want to know. Today with me, I have a special guest. One of my subscribers. Them, her name is
Aliana.
And today we'll be doing, just like when you sit down in the title down below, what a crackers challenge. We kind of about 30 for the thumbnail. I'm too messy. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna time ourselves to approximately 10 minutes. So better just sit from now. You know, I'm gonna see a she's nervous. She's nervous. Anyways, so I will tell me how many seconds. So I do it for 10 minutes to see who can finish the whole bag or almost, because me personally don't like the crackers, so but let's go. 1, 2, wait, I'm nervous. Wait, 1, 2, 3, start. Wait! Wow. I
thought that was gone.
look at you can't more water to them. So the first one, love.
What is love?
Oh! We're gonna put in song association in there. So now we're gonna say one word. And we're gonna try.
That's all already?
We're gonna try and spell one song association with it. So, I say love, and she say,
What is love? If you're not here.
give me one.
You ain't got to already.
What you talking about? Oh my God. Give me one. Oh God, what a good. Yeah, car and bike.
I'm gonna ask you call. Sky.
Sky for the sky. Yeah. Blood's supposed to be thicker than water yet. Bad time to say good tell me the time Block them.
You're wicked. We are doing my head. Get your wine.
Okay, I'm about to jump on my elbow.
No, get your wine.
Come. How much I got? One you got?
Oh, cool.
This dry, man.
Well, cool. Black.
3.
3. And then more? 3. Them word, yeah.
What time?
3.
6 minutes and 24 seconds. I'm not gone now. Oh! Team Baby, I Team Orange. Money.
Money. It's not about the money.
Not time, no man.
Green.
Oh, come on from here.
No, green.
This number, this body left here, okay?
Close.
So with me, I'm for the number close.
Stop.
Stop. Then now eat. Not that much time I have about me already.
Me I eat, but just I take time. I'm trying to
Pour me some.
water. Third, you must get that.
Because I've been short from the doctor.
No, make it sound good.
No, call you them.
You're not gonna. The one of them right there, so. You're not gonna run that can't go down. Jamal, how much is this? Dainelle. Yeah, sure.
Come here, girl. Boda.
With that yellow.
I've seen everything.
Remember the North somewhere with boat? Red boots. Red door bottom. Me not know about that.
Shoes.
Right thing. That's what I said. Right foot up.
Yes, shoes. Shoes, yeah.
Shoes.
2 minutes. 2 minutes over there. No man, it's tough.
I love my food.
Guys, she not have no sense. 2 minutes and seconds. Because seconds are not random. 9, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 I have left people. Team Dainelle all the way. Team Ali. What's up?
But I find my girl.
I'm more than 5. So I watch the video later. Time I take that.
I mean,
What? Your teeth.
that's the one.
I can't eat that. I'm just take it up. I leave back when we not go eat one of them.
I'm very full.
My belly full. Guys, make sure you subscribe and like and comment. I say if you want me to do and subscribe and Oh! Guys, follow my TikTok. And you're going to right here, so Instagram, right there, so.
Follow me on them too.
Yeah, I prefer when them right there, so. Snapchat, WhatsApp. You remember WhatsApp? Yeah. Follow me. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. 17 seconds, 15, 14. Get them over.
Give me butterfly, okay. Give me butterfly. Baby, I will find.
Guys, shut up. Guys, this all for you. Because I want to crackers and literally took every split out them. When I finish this, then we'll count out. And it's not gonna count us.
You don't know if them send it even in the crackers bag. You're my grandmother and teeth, isn't it?
I have 12 left back, count myself.
This can't make me win. It's not count.
If more than me, she lose me with.
No.
4, 6, 8. 8 that comes
No, wait. You're one top now.
8.
Wait. This is 8 now. 2, 4, 6, 8.
9, 10. 11.
I mean still win.
13, 14. Me win. Team them.
Me win.
I mean win. As much as them drop and them have left. I mean put them back in my bag.
You my grandmother is happy tonight.
Anyways, guys, I clear my mouth and end the vlog video. Alright, so guys, my mouth normally start feedback like my one now, so get in the vlog. Say bye.
Bye.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. This was highly impossible because I got every spit on my own in my body. And all that. So bye.